What is good YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. So yeah guys, it's the boy again back on your screen. And in today's video guys, I want to make alright in today's video guys, I want to make bro. Okay guys, in my previous video guys, I got a comment asking me to make a video concerning my strategy the way I trade. And guys, yes, when I read that comment, I remember that I know that I haven't made that kind of video before in this channel. And the reason being that it's not that I'm trying to keep my strategy private or anything. No. You guys remember that the very first video I created on this channel, I told you guys how I'm trying to also improve in the way I speak, to sound clearer to you guys to understand me. Because if you're new to the channel, though, I'm a stammerer, I do stammer. So that makes me to talk very fast. So most of the time, people don't understand me. So I'm trying to speak slower as possible to sound more clearer so you guys to understand me. So with that being said, like just with that situation, right? I just don't want to make that kind of content before ever before because I know that what's the point of me trying to explain to you guys how I trade, why you guys cannot understand me. So well, I think your boy is improving. Your boy is improving, guys. If you go back to my very first videos, you guys you see just compare them with this one, and you see that the boy is doing very well. Like not like I'm perfect right now, but at least I'm doing very well compared to myself back then. Yeah. So guys, without wasting much of your time, guys, I don't want to make this video a long video. Let's just dive on the chat. So I will explain to you guys how I trade. It's just simple strategy. And please, guys, if you're new to the channel and you're wondering who you can screen today, my name is Steven. I'm a forex trader from Nigeria. I document my life here on this YouTube, my trading journey. Yeah, please subscribe if that's kind of content that you like watching. Please, I'm begging, subscribe for your boy. All right guys. Yes sir. Yes sir, let's get on the chat, man. Let's get on the chat. All right. Okay, this is just the trade I had mark on, the trade that I'm looking forward to next week on GBP USD. You can see I'm currently on the 4 hour time frame. But yeah, guys, depends. I'm going to take this trade next week. Let's see how the trade play out. But I think I'm going to alright, let's just start with UBP. I can't back this, guys. I'm not here to back this. I'm just trying to show you guys what I look out for. So you can see currently on my chart, you can see my previous markup and my previous markup on this chart. Yeah, if I just yeah, this is it. But I think I'm going to delete it and show you guys. I'll still come back and analyze. So you can see currently I'm on a daily time frame. So what I look at for the most of the time, guys, this is what I do. You can see when you look at it, this is the major time frames that I use. I don't go anything higher or lower than this time frame that you're seeing here, the 15 minutes time frame, the 1 hour time frame, the 4 hour time frame, and the daily time frame. And it's not that I use all of them at once. Okay, most of the times the only time frame that I use is the daily and the 1 hour time frame. So the situation whereby the daily is not clear to me, I'm using the 4 hour and the 1 hour time frame. When I do use the 15 minutes time frame is sometimes if the stop loss in the 1 hour time frame I think is too much for me, and sometimes when I come to the lower time frame, maybe if the trade have already left me from the 1 hour time frame that I didn't get in, I do tend to come down to the 15 minutes time frame to see if I'm going to see an opportunity to scaling on that trade. So that is just the time I do use the 15 minutes time frame. I don't go anything lower than 15 minutes time frame. Before I do use for 5 minutes time frame, but nah, that is not for me. So okay guys, so right now whenever I come to the daily time frame, I like to first of all what I do mark out on the daily time frame is the liquidity. You can see it here. So I do mark out for the nearest swing high and swing low. So because that is where I'm expecting price to draw to. So that is liquidity. So if I'm looking for a direction, from the low higher time frame. I do first thing I do mark out with the swing high and the swing low. That is I call them liquidity. So after that, then I do shake if there's any other block or favorable gap, whichever one on the daily time frame. I do mark them out too. Like you can see, this is other block here in the daily order block. Yeah, daily order block here. And yeah, that's it. When I mark it as right, I do my obvious one, not any other block I've been marking. I do mark out the obvious ones. Like this one too. This one too is other block. So this is the family gap. Why am I you know you guys remember I deleted this one. Why I'm marking this one out was no price was going down. I do mark out the I use family gap to see to determine direction too. So if price is coming down on the higher time frame, I do use them to shake okay where is possible area the price is going to draw to fill out this family gap. That's why I mark it out then. So also this one I also marked out this one, but there's no point of marking all the whole family gap on this chart. It's going to occupy my chart. So yeah, when I just this is just the I just mark out the swing high and swing low and mark out the obvious other block on the daily time frame. So after that, there's no point of me coming down to the 4 hour time frame to shake other things. But with trying to explain the whole thing of how I trade, I'm going to go to the 4 hour time frame too for you guys. And you can see for the next week, guys, although that this market is on a downtrend, but I believe this other block, if it's going to be valid, we should take out this liquidity. And guys, if we fail, because you can see that we're on a downtrend, if you fail to, if tomorrow, Monday and Tuesday trade close bearish, then I'm looking forward to price to take out this liquidity and possibility, or I should be expecting some reaction on this trade, this place. This 20 is another block, but I like to use this one. This is the one that is okay for me. I like to use this one too. But there is no point of marking out this one because price is nowhere near this one, so there is no point of me marking out all this other block here. I don't know. There's no point of me marking out those ones. And okay, I don't want to make this video long. So after marking out this one, what I'm expecting now, okay, you can see that this candle close above this previous day candle. That is on that should be on Wednesday, yes. Wednesday candle. Yes, this is a Wednesday. And okay, after that I'll come to the 4 hour time frame. What should I be expecting on the 4 hour time frame? That is why I mark out this other one. So what next thing I should be expecting on the 4 hour time frame, guys, is this is another block, okay, obviously. And guys, another thing I do use in confluence of my strategy where I enter because you guys remember that you guys told me that I put this I'm expecting to buy from this market. Why am I buying from this level? Because that this candle closed above this previous swing high. I should call it a break of structure, even though that we are in a downtrend, except if market come down here and take out this low, then I'm wrong. But I'm still going to follow my strategy, even though I'm not trying to be right. I'm trying to follow trade my setup. So whether it's right or wrong, I'm cool with that. So again, like this now that I marked out this other block now, another thing again that I do add as a confluence to it is fib level. I draw my fib. You can see if I draw my fib, it's clear that I do use 62 or 70% fib level. So that's why I'm going to use fib 50, 62 to 62. So there is no point in this one. This is where my ID stop loss should be. Then I should be targeting this place. Next, no, but because of this thing stop loss, risk to reward, putting it here because I believe once price will take out this, there is tons of liquidity here, so market should take it out. That's why. But again, guys, why I left there's no point of me using 42, 44%, 44 pip stop loss is okay, but I like to put it on the middle. Because if this other block should be filled, I don't want to see price to come anywhere below the middle of this other block. So that's why. And again, by that way, I will increase my risk to reward. So that's why what you see here. And now that you see that I just analyze this thing right now. So what's the point of me going to the 1 hour time frame again? what 15 minutes time frame to look for anything again. No, because this 5 hour time frame is already clear for me. Okay, I'm done. But the way the but okay, but the scenario whereby the 4 hour time frame is not clear to me, what next I will do is to come down to the 1 hour time frame for entry. 1 hour time frame to determine. Okay, if you go to the 1 hour time frame, you can still see that we still have the same order block. And I think if I let me just leave the fib level there, you can see that that should also line up with the 1 hour time frame order block, which makes it a good level for us. You can still see it 70% fib level line up perfectly with the 1 hour order block. So what's the point of me trying to come down here? So the 4 hour time frame I've already do justice, or coming down to 50 minutes time frame again. Nah, I don't do that. So I just stick to the 1 hour time frame. So that is just it. I don't want to make this video a long video. That is just what I look out for. Um, I trade, and the way I trade, that is this is not the thing. The way I trade, okay, I can call it ICT. Yeah, I trade ICT. ICT, I'm going to give him the. That is where I learned from. The from his mentorship, the one that they call content, yes, that he uploaded. But I just choose this thing now. Okay, there's no point of me trying to mix the whole other things. It will confuse me. The way I try to keep it, the way I trade, I just try to keep it as simple as possible for me, so that I will know when analyzing, try to mix up with all those whole things of breakable block, and those things are working. But this is just the one I found suitable for me, and this is the one I'm using. Sometimes to okay, as this is liquidity, so that guys, this is just the way I trade, guys. And yeah, I don't want to make the video long video, as I said. All right, guys. That is just it from my trade. The way I trade. This is just the thing. There is no other thing. There is no other thing that I'm adding or removing from this. This is just the way I trade. Okay, I just try to keep it as simple as possible. And I don't. What this I'm telling you is okay. From the way I trade now, like I said, I use the higher time frame again, and that makes it that I'm not. It's not that I'm seeing my setup every single day. Sometimes I do trade at least maximum of 3 times a week. Okay, 3 times a week, and that is good for me. Sometimes I even see setup just once in a week or twice in a week, and that's perfect for me, guys. Yeah, that's the thing, guys. So if you have watched this to this part of the video, guys, okay, just consider subscribing and like this video. As always, guys, just stay safe and see you guys on the next one.